My name's Elaine Vickers, and in this video I want to clear up some of the terminology used to describe new cancer treatments. Terms like monoclonal antibody, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, biological agent, and others. We can split these terms into two groups. Those used to describe what a treatment is made from and how it's manufactured, and terms used to describe how a treatment works. Monoclonal antibody therapies are made from antibodies, much like the antibodies made naturally by our immune system. But they're slightly different. The thing that they target is not a bacteria or a virus, it's cancer cells or it's white blood cells. It's something deliberately chosen to help us treat that person's cancer. All antibody therapies have to be manufactured using living cells. That's why we call them biological therapies, biological agents, biologics, biotherapies. We are describing the manufacturing process that only living cells can be used to make them. These days, we're not restricted just to the natural shape of an antibody. We can do all sorts of clever stuff, chopping antibodies apart, mixing and matching them around, producing antibody-based treatments with brand new properties. The small molecule treatments are little chemical compounds, a bunch of carbons, hydrogens, nitrogens, oxygens joined together through a series of chemical reactions. The ATMPs are different again. These are our advanced therapy medicinal products. These are very sophisticated treatments requiring very complex manufacturing, and often the treatment itself is living cells, and often living cells from the patient. Immunotherapy and targeted therapy are two terms used to describe how a treatment works. The immunotherapies are treatments that help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells. A lot of them are antibody-based, but some of them are living white blood cells. Some of our ATMPs are immunotherapies. Targeted therapies are treatments that target a difference between cancer cells and healthy cells. Some of these treatments are monoclonal antibodies that attach to proteins found on the surface of cancer cells. Some of them are tiny little chemical compounds that get inside cancer cells and block something that is inside them. Confusingly, a treatment can be more than one thing and work through more than one mechanism. A great example are the antibody drug conjugates. Now, you can attach many different names to these treatments. They are antibody-based. They are also a form of immunotherapy. They can attract in and activate white blood cells. They're also a form of biological therapy. They're antibodies, so you can only manufacture them using living cells. They're also targeted therapies. They target and attach to something found on the surface of a person's cancer cells, and they have chemotherapy attached to the back end of them. The antibody is being used to deliver chemotherapy. So biological therapy, small molecule, monoclonal antibody, ATMP, these are terms used to describe what a treatment is made from and what manufacturing process is needed to produce it. Immunotherapy, targeted therapy, these are terms to describe how a treatment works.